What's up, team? So in today's video we're going to be having a look at Kadena, one of my favorite coins out there, traded under $3. Beautiful. If you guys bought the dip, leave a comment below and let me know if you guys did. We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin and seeing at that nice little rebound we had right here at the golden pocket, sitting at 6.18 Fibonacci retracement, and of course the Kadena technical analysis. After this video, I'm going to make a different separate video on veracity, so put your notification on and don't miss out. Let's have a look at VR real quick. 260,000, 70,000 people on the watch list. So we actually reached 10,000 people in the past week, under 500 million market cap. Very beautiful. We got 101, so we're currently below the top 100 right now. No big deal. This is in the past 24 hours down 3%, but Kadena is actually up, as you guys can see on the right side of my screen, 10% since the new daily candle starts. So if I actually pull up the new daily candle right about here, this is the weekly. So if I pull up the daily candle on Kadena, as you guys can see, we are up approximately 10.5%. So going back to Bitcoin, starting off with the weekly time frame real quick, and then we're going to be diving in away from that. Can this be the capitulation wick right here sitting at 6.18? We're going to have to see if Bitcoin does close and come back to these levels and come back below the 6.18. Not only are we going to close below the support, which is very important right here, but we're going to be essentially below the 6.18. If that does happen, we might see a free fall on Bitcoin all the way to 10K. But as of right now, nothing is set, nothing is crazy. Bitcoin had a nice, beautiful rebound on the Fib retracement. That's all I have to say. Nothing too much otherwise. Let's have a look at Kadena real quick. So if you guys saw my video for the past couple of weeks, I mentioned that Kadena will come back to $2.5 at least, which is this local support. Okay. Now we have a nice little beautiful rejection right here. So if you bought the ultimate low or this support region right here, you actually would have been up 25%. How crazy is that? Buying the dip is amazing. Now assuming this thing goes back to this region right here, you're up 210%. So instead of waiting for Kadena to essentially go back up to the all-time highs, you could be buying cheap and making hundreds of percent when you buy low. So assuming Kadena wicks really fast right here at 40 cents, boom. Just going back to $3, it's 450%. So that's crazy. We are below the POC level. Of course, a rebound to the point of control is very possible. I wouldn't be surprised. But guys, Kadena sitting under 500 million is an absolute steal. I stacked up on KDA yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. I bought some. Beautiful rebound. Going back to Bitcoin real quick on the 4-hour, I do want to talk about this for a second. Let me remove the Fibonacci retracement before I go back to Kadena. Can we potentially have a nice little double bottom right here before coming back up? Because I know we have this is a short relief. Fine, we have a lot of these reliefs happening a bunch of times, but can we see a double bottom before continuing back up? Very possible. I think we're going to retest this level at least one more time. If this doesn't happen, we're most likely going to retest this level at $40,000 or at least this local resistance right here. This is also where the point of control stands. As you guys can see right here, 39,000. This is the highest POC level right here. The second would be at this level sitting at $36,000. So that's about it on Bitcoin. Going back to KDA real quick on the 4-hour time frame, we do have a nice little beautiful V pattern happening. Same thing, nothing too crazy. Same thing as Bitcoin. I mean, if Bitcoin does go back to 40K, I wouldn't be surprised if Kadena does go back to $3.94, which would be this POC level right here, point of control, which is the highest volume profile range. And that's about it, guys. I mean, let's have a look at the exponential moving average. We could still retest these EMA ribbons right here sitting at 3.04. When we're in a bear market, you want to essentially short at the exponential moving average, and when you're in a bull market, you want to short when we come down and above. As you guys can see, going back to Bitcoin right here, we are still below the EMA ribbon. Now, something interesting, going back to Bitcoin, things do add up. We were pretty oversold, so we had to see a nice little relief bounce. Same with Kadena, guys. I mean, that's why I always start with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is king, there's no question. But same with Kadena, we were pretty oversold right here, sitting at 16 on the RSI. Anything below 30 is oversold. Anything above 70 is overbought. Beautiful V recovery shape, V pattern. Right now the RSI is sitting at 41. So relief bounce was imminent in my opinion. And that's about it. This is my short video on KDA and Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.